Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Swapas Educational Consult. In our today's class, we shall be focusing on combination. What is the meaning of combination? Combination means selection or choosing of an item from group of items. So the major difference between combination and permutation, because I want to make this thing clear to some students. Some students do confuse anytime they come across question under permutation or combination. They cannot differentiate which one is combination, which one is permutation. So this is how you are going to differentiate between combination and permutation. Permutation is all about arrangement. When you come across arrange, how many ways can something be arranged from? So that is combination. That is permutation, arrangement. But for combination, you have two words to identify combination. When you come across selected, how many ways can something be selected, or how many ways can something be chosen? You understand the logic now? That is how to know if you are working on combination or you are working on permutation. Permutation is about arrangement, while combination is about choosing or selected. Do you understand? So that is that about that. Then let us have the formula for combination. The formula is this: n combination r is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, then r factorial. So you can see now the formula for combination is different from the formula for permutation. So we have treated permutation in our previous class. You can still go and watch the video on our previous lesson. Now the first question says, how many ways can 3 members be selected from a committee of 10? Committee of 10. How many ways can 3 members be selected from a committee of what? Of 10. That is when you see selection, you see selected, the word selected. So give all that insight that we are working on a combination because of the word selected. So, and no doubt, this is the formula we are going to apply. N combination r is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. Here now we should be able to identify our n and our r. The total is our n, while the minor part we are considering is the half. So here we are our n is 10, then our r is 3. Do you understand the logic now? Let us now put this in our formula. So we have 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. That is what it means. By the time we substitute what we have into the formula, then we go ahead and say we have 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 is 7 factorial, then times 3 factorial. Do you get it now? Then if that should be the case, you can just go on and say 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Are you getting it now? Times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 7 factorial. That is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. This is how you are going to break it down. Now something should come to our mind. We don't want to stress ourselves. That's why we have to do some things here. We have to just make use of our common sense by saying from here we have 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. They can easily cancel each other. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this from here to 1, then from 7 here to 1 can cancel out. So then we have 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? Well, let's do it like this. 3 go in 3 1 times, 3 go in 9 3 times, then 2 go in 2 1 times, 2 go in 8 4 times. Then we have 10 times 3. 30. 30 times 4. That is 120. 120 ways. That is the answer. This is the number of ways that 3 members can be selected from a committee of 10. 120 ways. Do you understand the logic now? Let's go to the second one. The second one says, how many ways can 5 boys be choosing in a class of 9 students? When you come across selected or choosing, they are two talking about combination. But when you come across arrangement, that is talking about permutation. Take note of that. So we are still working on combination here. So we should be able to identify our n and our half. The formula still remains n combination half is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. Now what's our n? Our n here is 9, while our half is 5. Usually n is the bigger number and r is smaller number. Do you understand the logic? That is another code. Now we have 9 combination 5. That is 9 factorial divided by 5 divided by 9 minus 5 factorial, then 5 factorial. Are you getting it now? So go in line with our formula. So we have 9 times 8, or before then, 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 5 factorial, that is 4 factorial, and times 5 factorial. 9 minus 5 give us 4. Do you understand now? So now let us now break them down. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Don't let us stress ourselves. We can say 5 factorial. 5 factorial means we can still go on and say times 5. If you don't want to put factorial, it's going to be times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you understand now, but we don't have to stress ourselves unnecessarily. So we have 4 factorial here to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. Let us write it the way it is. 5 factorial, so that we can easily use it to cut what we have here. Are you getting it now? So in order to just maximize our time, so we have 9876 as our numerator, then we have 432 as our denominator. So 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Let's solve them one by one. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That is 3024 divided by 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24 divided by 24. 126. So the answer is going to be 126 ways. So this is the number of ways. 126 ways is the number of ways that we can select 5 boys from a class of what? 9 students. I believe it's clear to us. Please watch the video again and help other students that do have problem with mathematics. Mathematics simply remain one of the simplest topics, but it is quite unfortunate that some students find it difficult and they have headache anytime they are solving mathematics questions. Please do them a favor by sharing our video to other group so that they will see the video and benefit 1 or 2 things. Thanks for watching. Give your comment and likes. See you later. Bye.